I'm now minutes away from landing in Bologna, Italy. Hi everyone, I'm Cindy from CLM Creative without the headband and some makeup. And welcome to Bologna. Yes, I am in Bologna. I am so beyond excited. And I'll be showing you clips from Bologna, so stay tuned. So this is the hotel I'm staying at in Bologna, Italy. And the festival is right across the street. How amazing is that? Oh my God, I can't believe it. Right across the street. Look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Talk about strategic spot. This is stunning. Walking from my hotel to the Piazza Maggiore. It was about a 10-minute walk. Can't believe I'm here. Sorry, camera's shaking. Now entering the piazza. It happened to be Liberation Day, so that's why it was packed with people. Yes, didn't realize that the camera had the lens on.
Mi hanno fucilato con gli altri, pensavano che lo pensavano tutti, ma sono caduto in un contadino mi ha salvato. Partigiano di 100 anni, Bruno Tanari, nome di battaglia Fido. E come lui in quegli anni furono migliaia i ragazzi e le ragazze giovanissimi che si trovarono a cambiare il corso della storia e spesso non se ne rendevano nemmeno conto. Non sapevano non erano mossi dai ideali di eroismo.
Fabriano, ¿hay alguna actividad?
Saludo.
Rồi, Dân ạ, đi ăn ở bán cho
voglio dire no.
Fabriano, ¿hay alguna actividad?
Walking back to the hotel. It's basically a straight walk from the hotel to the piazza and back.